Happy Friday, everyone. We'll still dry today, but unfortunately, it looks like another weekend where we're going to be dealing with rain in southern Wisconsin. We'll get to your weekend forecast in just a bit, but let's start with today. Partly cloudy skies, high temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s, and getting breezy this afternoon with gusts around 20 miles per hour. Once the sun goes down, though, the winds are going to die down, but also a small chance for rain. Now, I do think during the evening hours, it is going to be limited to the western portion of the area. And even in the western portion of the area, not a guarantee you're going to see rain, but I do need to mention the chance. But if you're in the central or eastern part of southern Wisconsin, it looks like the evening hours are going to be dry. Friday night football is going to be dry because there's 8 o'clock, there's 11 o'clock. Notice the chance still limited to the most western part of the area. I do have to mention, though, that very late tonight, if you're going to be out, midnight, 1, 2 a.m., finally a chance for a couple showers just about anywhere in southern Wisconsin, but significant gaps. I do think most are probably going to end up staying dry tonight. But will that continue for Saturday? Well, in the morning hours, yes, still not much going on, 9 a.m. But as we transition into the late morning and then particularly through the mid-afternoon hours, we're going to get a little area of isolated showers and storms to work over us. So still isolated. There's still going to be gaps, but a better chance than what we're going to be seeing tonight. This is noon, and so the chance starting to go up in Madison around noon. And so, yes, let's pause things at 2:30, kickoff at Camp Randall. Could there be rain around? Yes, I do think rain is a possibility during the game, but because this is isolated activity, we might get lucky and have the showers or a storm work around us, and it could stay dry the entire game. That is a possibility, but there's also the possibility that a shower or storm could move over, so if you want to make sure you stay dry, go ahead and carry those ponchos and be ready to use them, but I guarantee that we're going to see rain. It's probably going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow than today. I think a lot of places are probably going to be about a degree cooler. I think we might see a few more upper 70s versus low 80s, but I still think the low 80s is a possibility, particularly closer to the lake tomorrow, because it's going to take longer for this rain chance to begin in the eastern part of the area. And it actually looks a little bit more breezy in the day, with the gusts actually picking up to around 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Now, notice what happens when we jump to 6 o'clock. So I will say there's a better chance of rain during the game, early in the game versus late in the game, because it actually looks like late afternoon, very little going on. But this is just going to be a temporary lull in the activity. And if you're making plans for Saturday night, it's going to be getting wetter as we go through Saturday night. So there may not be very much going on 6, 7, 8 o'clock. As we get later into Saturday night, I do think showers and storms are going to become a widespread. So particularly after midnight, it looks like it's going to be pretty wet. But this isn't the cold front yet. That's why look at our low temperature, 65 degrees. And normal for this time of year is a low around 51 degrees. Now, even during the evening hours on Saturday, that rain chance is going to be increasing. So if you're trying to make plans of should I go out Friday night or Saturday night, I will say go out Friday night versus Saturday night, because Saturday night definitely looking wetter with the best chance after midnight. Now, talking about Sunday, again, that peak in the activity is going to be during the overnight hours, and then things quiet down again for Sunday morning. And so the story for Sunday is drier in the morning and getting wetter as we go through the day. Actually, it looks like the wettest period of the day is probably going to be the evening hours on Sunday. That's when the front will finally arrive in our area. So increasing chances of rain as we go through the day Sunday. Really just isolated showers in the morning, significant gaps, but a little bit better chance in the afternoon than a peak in the activity again with that front during the evening hours. So that's why we still reach 81 degrees on Sunday, because the front doesn't arrive until the evening hours, about 10 degrees above normal. And I do have to mention also, late afternoon, early evening along that front, the storms that do pop up could be severe. It's a small chance, most likely just going to be some heavy rain and lightning. There is a small chance we could see some penny-sized hail and gusts up to 50 miles per hour.